Beautiful contemporary home featuring many intricate details throughout. Open floor plan with 3 bedrooms split for privacy, 2 full baths and an office all on one level. Upon entering the home you are welcomed with Brazilian rosewood flooring, coffered ceiling with stained glass light fixture. 9 feet ceilings throughout home. Living room having triple tray ceiling with rope lighting, electric fireplace and beautiful custom glass door leading to open back deck. Kitchen with hardwood cabinets, Lapidus Leathered Granite countertops and island. Deep farmhouse kitchen sink with window above for lots of natural lighting. Reverse osmosis water filtration. Stainless kitchen appliances remain. Huge walk-in pantry. Formal dining having coffered ceiling with copper inlays and stained glass fixture. Home is adorned with impressive elaborate trim work, crown molding, textured walls with round corner bead throughout. Master suite with huge master bath consisting of a large walk-in tile shower and separate whirlpool tub. Custom tile flooring, double sink granite countertop vanity and good size walk-in closet. Office with large closet for storage or could be used for guest room. Nice size laundry room with plenty of shelving. Attached side entry 2-car garage. Covered front porch with nice views of neighboring farmland. Lots of walk-in storage under home or could use as a workshop. Very clean crawl space section with dehumidifier. Outbuilding with garage door, mower ramp, electric and personal door. Less than 10-minute drive to Walmart. 15 minutes to downtown Maryville. 20 minutes to McGee-Tyson Airport. 15 minutes to Tellico Lake. 30 minutes to Knoxville and 1 hour drive to the Great Smoky Mountains and Gatlinburg.